So this is a tangle we did live that really works on all the aspects that we talk about in the Zentangle method. So I started with a border and drew a line, and then all I did was aura that line repetitively over and over again. And when I auraed the line, I auraed every little bump or indent and found that if I auraed every little imperfection that was perfectly imperfect in the first original line, that it turned into something so incredibly cool. And then I did shade a little bit in the live with graphite just for people to see what it looks like with pencil, but then I actually took a different medium and kind of did my own fun little thing with it, which is what I love to do with my tangles. But for me, the tangles are about the journey to the end of the tangle, and the tangle at the end is just a bonus. So working on your breathing, light with the pressure, light with how you hold the pen, not biting the inside of your cheek, clenching your jaw, and just enjoy taking time out for you. Self-care. Have fun.